back to MotorMix, your go-to channel for everything on 4 or in this case 6 wheels. Today we're taking an exclusive look at the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X6, an all-terrain behemoth that promises to redefine the luxury RV experience. This isn't your average motorhome, it's a fully capable off-road adventure truck that combines power, versatility, and luxury for those who want to explore the world without boundaries. Built to conquer the exterior and chassis, Chevrolet has taken rugged design to new heights with this 6X6 motorhome. The first thing you'll notice is its massive stance, supported by a 6-wheel drive configuration that screams capability. Based on a heavy-duty truck chassis, this motorhome is engineered to handle off-road terrains that would leave most RVs behind. With high ground clearance, a reinforced suspension, and massive off-road tires, the Chevrolet Motorhome 6X6 is built to handle mud, sand, rocks, and everything in between. The exterior design is a blend of functionality and rugged aesthetics. The body panels are made from durable, lightweight materials to reduce overall weight while ensuring resilience against the elements. LED lighting surrounds the vehicle, providing powerful visibility in low-light conditions, while integrated roof racks, side storage compartments, and a rear-mounted spare tire enhance the truck's utility. Power under the hood 6.6L turbo diesel V8 engine. To power this beast, Chevrolet has equipped the Motorhome Truck 6X6 with a robust 6.6L turbo diesel V8 engine, producing over 500 horsepower and a staggering 1,000 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that's tuned for both power and efficiency, ensuring smooth gear shifts even on rough terrain. With a 6-wheel drive system and an adaptive off-road suspension, this motorhome is engineered for tackling everything from steep inclines to desert dunes. Additionally, the 6X6's fuel tank has been expanded to hold enough diesel for extended journeys, minimizing the need for frequent refueling. And for those seeking a greener alternative, Chevrolet offers a hybrid powertrain option that incorporates electric motors for additional torque, better fuel economy, and quieter operation when needed. Interior: a luxury home on wheels. Inside, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X6 transforms into a luxurious, fully equipped living space. The motorhome features an open floor plan that maximizes space and comfort, including a cozy living area with leather seating, a full-service kitchen, and a convertible dining area. High-end materials like real wood, brushed aluminum, and durable fabrics create a premium feel. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, including a full-sized refrigerator, microwave, and induction cooktop. Ample storage, countertops, and a deep sink make it functional for preparing meals on the road. At the back, you'll find a spacious bedroom with a queen-size bed, underbed storage, and soft ambient lighting for a comfortable sleep. There's also a modern bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, offering all the amenities of home. Technology and connectivity off-grid capabilities. One of the standout features of the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X6 is its advanced technology package designed to support off-grid living. Solar panels on the roof charge a bank of high-capacity batteries, providing power for appliances and electronics without needing to connect to external sources. The onboard inverter system converts solar energy to power most devices, while an optional backup generator adds a safety net for extended off-grid stays. The infotainment system in the driver's cab includes a large touchscreen with navigation, real-time off-road tracking, and connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The living area features a secondary entertainment system with a high-definition display, satellite TV, and a surround sound system. This setup ensures that travelers can stay entertained, connected, and informed no matter where they are. Off-road capabilities go anywhere. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6X6 is a serious off-roader. The 6-wheel drive system distributes power effectively across all wheels, allowing for superior traction on challenging terrains. Chevrolet has equipped this motorhome with an advanced differential lock system that helps maintain stability and control in rugged environments. The suspension is also adjustable with different height settings to adapt to varying terrains from highways to rocky trails. The vehicle's crawl control and hill descent features make navigating steep slopes and rocky trails safer and more manageable. With a towing capacity of over 10,000 pounds, this motorhome can haul ATVs, motorcycles, or even a small boat, making it the ideal vehicle for adventure seekers who want to bring their favorite toys along. Safety features ready for anything. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6x6, with a suite of features that ensure both on-road and off-road security. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and automatic emergency braking. For off-road scenarios, the 6x6 comes equipped with an array of cameras that provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings, including underbody cameras to help avoid rocks and obstacles. In addition, Chevrolet has included roll stability control and tire pressure monitoring systems tailored for off-road conditions. The vehicle's robust construction and reinforced frame also provide additional protection against impacts, making it one of the safest motorhomes on the market. Customization options make it your own. Chevrolet understands that every adventure is unique, which is why the 2025 Motorhome Truck 6x6 offers a range of customization options. Buyers can choose from various exterior color schemes, roof-mounted storage options, and specialized off-road equipment like winches and upgraded tires. Interior packages are also available, with options for different upholstery, entertainment upgrades, and enhanced off-grid capabilities. For those looking to make a statement, Chevrolet even offers a limited edition package with exclusive colorways, luxury interior trims, and additional tech features. This level of customization allows each owner to create a motorhome that reflects their style and meets their travel needs. Price and availability worth the investment? The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6x6 doesn't come cheap, but considering its capabilities, it's a worthy investment for those serious about adventure. The base model starts around $250,000, with various packages and customization options that can increase the price significantly. However, with the quality, power, and features it offers, this motorhome promises a unique and unforgettable travel experience. For off-road enthusiasts and luxury RV seekers alike, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6x6 stands out as an innovative and thrilling choice. Final thoughts. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6x6 is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile sanctuary that's equally at home in the mountains, deserts, or even in the heart of a city. With its unbeatable combination of power, luxury, and off-road capability, this 6x6 motorhome is built for those who crave the freedom to explore beyond the beaten path. Thanks for tuning in to MotorMix. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Chevrolet's latest adventure machine, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest in automotive innovation. Let us know in the comments where you'd take the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Truck 6x6 for its first adventure. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring with MotorMix.